this video I will show you how to fix one of problems of old Marklin locomotives, like this one. The problem is locomotive suddenly comes to stop after a while or at high speed. I'll show you how. Now, with low speed, it operates fine. Go straight, reverse, forward. But when you try to go faster, like this, suddenly stop, make this noise. Nothing helps but release it. Now it goes backward again. Like this. The problem is in this reverse unit, actually in its spring. The spring is too weak. When we try to go slow, it's fine. Once I try to go faster, the reverse unit starts and the train stops. Try again. Now it goes back, forward. Now wheels are rotating. Go faster. Check. Saver's manual says you need to put here the flat screwdriver. And tight this thing. Just like this. But it doesn't help when we have a too weak spring. In our case, the spring is too weak. I'll show you the spring. It's too long. This is a new spring. It's way smaller. Of course we can change the spring if you have it, or you can buy it on eBay. But there is another way to fix this problem without buying a new spring. We need to take the old spring and attach it this way. Now the spring is tighter. Because we use just 80% of spring. We'll see how it works. Works pretty good. And reverse is still working. If you over tight it like this, this problem will happen when we change the direction. It won't change, and it will go too fast when you try to change. Or you can have this problem. It means it's too tight. So you need to play with this spring a little bit to adjust it right. Backward. Forward. Maximum speed. Works perfectly. I hope my video was helpful. Thank you for watching.